Got a quickie. Not that kind of quickie, Jesse. Oh. Get your head out of the gutter, man. Grow up, bro. Welcome back to the FitMenCook kitchen. Today I've got a good quickie recipe for your meal prep. We're making some apricot salmon nuggets along with some grilled veggies and some really tasty jasmine rice. You're gonna love the recipe for your meal prep, and it's even a really good one for a weeknight meal or date night. I know y'all up on your Zoom dates and people are finally creeping in, you know. So hey, if you got shorty coming over, this is a really good one to make. You're gonna love it. Let's go. Ooh, you ready, Jesse?
I was born ready.
I like that answer.
This moment.
This right here, this right here, cool Kev. Let's get started with this really quick recipe. First thing we're gonna do is fire up our skillet, put it on a high heat, spray it with a little bit of oil, got some bell pepper, some sugar snap peas, and we're gonna toss everything together. As we are searing up the vegetables, I've got some center cut salmon here, the nice thick part. I love using this part, and take off all that skin. And we're gonna chop this up into pieces, boom. We're gonna add our salmon nuggets to a bowl. Ooh, I smell the vegetables. They are just about ready, and look at that. We've got a nice color and sear on them. Now we're gonna take our vegetables and set them aside for later use. We're gonna take a little bit of oil, just lightly spray our salmon. We're gonna take a little bit of coconut sugar and just sprinkle over, just a tablespoon there, and just take your hands and just lightly toss. Take some oil, we're gonna spray our skillet again. This part is really important. And now we're gonna add in our salmon nuggets. You can use your fingers if you're like a southern cook, like them grandmamas. Just flip it over, or you can get some tongs. We just want color, we don't want burnt pieces. Begin to take the pieces out of the skillet. And don't worry if the salmon is not cooked all the way through. We're gonna cook it all the way through in this delicious sauce that we're going to make right now. So the star of this dish is some apricot. So I've got some apricot preserves here. Add in some soy sauce, some ginger, a little bit more coconut sugar. We can add in a little bit of water or some chicken broth. Give this a good stir. And our final ingredient to make this restaurant quality is a little bit of arrowroot or some cornstarch. Give this a good stir. Now we're gonna pour in our sauce. We don't want the skillet piping hot whenever we add the sauce, because then it'll get slimy. Now when the sauce begins to bubble, as you can see, these darker spots turning glassy like that, that's how you know it's time to start to stir and to monitor the heat of the skillet. Now we're gonna take our salmon, add it back to the skillet. Look at that, already just looking beautiful, isn't it? And as it's cooking, just take the sauce, just drizzle it over the salmon. So I've got some jasmine rice here that we're gonna enjoy with this. I'm gonna take some cilantro. In goes the cilantro. A little bit of fresh lime zest. Mix this all together. This is one of my favorite ways to make rice. Now let's bring everything together because dinner is about to be served. Sticky apricot salmon with some skillet grilled vegetables and our cilantro, lime, jasmine rice. I will do the hard job. You know I love saying that every single week, man. Oh my God, look at that. And that's beautiful, right? Here we go. There's something about salmon. This should be the new date night banger. Salmon apricot nuggets. It's pretty good, right? Mm-hmm. It's a vibe. We like it. We hope that you like it too. So if you like videos like this, I want you to smash that like button below. And if you've been staring at my t-shirt the entire video and being like, yo Kev, that's a hot tee, I want you to head over to Strength Cartel, check them out. They are a small business and are dedicated to fitness and a healthy, active, really active lifestyle. So check them out if you like what you see here. If you're new to the channel, what up? Don't forget to subscribe and remember to ring that bell so that way you can be notified every time we post hot new content here on the FitMenCook channel. Until next time, y'all, thank you for watching. Keep it healthy, but of course, never ever boring. Boom! Bye, peeps.